Guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a banana. So, to start off with our banana, we need to begin with the top part. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this down, and I'm going to have it go up, and then kind of curve back in like that. Then, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across right here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then I'm just going to curve this around and bring it up to here. And when I get up here, I'm slowly going to start to kind of curve in. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves up and then do the same thing here. Then I'm going to draw a line out and another line out. Then I'm going to draw a little line up, over, and then down for like the stem part. Then I'm just going to draw like a little broken line right up here. And then I'm going to make just a little line right here at the end. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw kind of like a long broken line down the center that goes up here. And then draw another one that goes up here. And then I'm going to kind of bring these up towards the top here. Then I'm just going to draw a little extra line in right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a banana. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.